what is the value of d? Given that you have 5 to the power of d plus 5 to the power of d equals 500. Let's have it to be solution from here. So we have 5 to the power of d in common. So we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of d divided by this will be 1 plus 5 to the power of d divided by this will be 1. Then equals 500. So from here we have 5 to the power of d. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 equals 500. Then let's divide through by 2. So when we divide through by 2, this will cancel out this. So we have 5 to the power of d equals 500 divided by 2 will give us 250. So from here, we have 5 to the power of d equals, we can have this as 5 multiplied by 50 will give us 250. Then let's put them in parentheses as this. Then let's introduce log to both sides of this expression. So this implies we are going to have log 5 to the power of d equals log 5 times 50. Then let us recall that when we have log p to the power of m, as we have this power, the power will come down to base to be m multiplied by log p. And also when we have log a times b, we are going to have this as log a plus log b. So when we apply the power law that we have to be equivalent to this here, and we apply this product law here, so this implies we are going to have d multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 50. Then from here, let's divide through by this 5, by this log 5. So from here, log 5 will divide by log 5 will be 1 times this. So here will be d equals log 5 plus log 50 divided by log 5. But once again, let us recall that when we have a plus b, then this divided by c, such that a, b, and c, they are all members of positive integer or negative integer. So from here, we can re-express this as a divided by c plus d divided by c. So when we apply it here, we are going to have d equals as log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 50 divided by log 5. So we have d. When log 5 divided by log 5, it will cancel and it will give us 1 plus log 50 divided by log 5. But mind you, we can have 50 again to be equals 5 times 10. So from here, we have d 1 plus log 5 times 10 divided by log 5. So from here, we have d equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So d will equals 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So we have D 1 plus, when this also divided by this will give us 1, plus log 10 divided by log 5. So we have D to be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2, plus log 10 divided by log 5. So we can have 10 as the product of 5 times 2. So we have D to be equals 2 plus log 5 times 2 divided by log 5. So D 2 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we have D to be equals 2 plus log 5 divided by this log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So D will be equals 5 divided by 5 will be 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So D will be equals 2 plus 1 will give us 3 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Recall that when we have log A divided by log B equals as when we have log A in base B. So from here we have D to be equals 3 plus log 2 in base 5 to be the value of D. So if you are new here, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Then let us check. So to check, five to the power of D plus 5 to the power of D equals 500. When D equals this, so we are going to have 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 500. This repeated 2 times, we can have it to be 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 in base 5. We open parentheses. This divided by this will be 1 plus this divided by this will also give us 1. Then it's going to give us 500. Then recall that when we have 1 plus 1 will be 2 times 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 500. From here, when we have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So this implies here will be 2 times 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 500. We have 2 times 5 to the power of 3 will be 125 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. That's going to give us 500. So from here, we have 2 times 125. So far this and this are the same, the output will be 2. And it's going to give us 500. Then we have 2 times 5 will be 10. We have 0. We take 1. 2 times this will be 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 250. Then it's going to give us 500. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times this is 10. We take 0, we carry 1. This will be 500 equals 500. So since the left hand side equal to the right hand side, so D equals 3 plus log 2 in base 5 is correct.